Good morning, everyone. It is Tuesday, March 18th, and it is time to do chores. I'm actually done with the girls up here. Got my milking done. I milked Jasmine, Freya. I milked Honey, and I milked Lily, and I milked Trinity. And I just let their kids out with them. We do milk share with the kids. We put the kids up at night, milk in the morning, and then they have mom all day. But you all, yesterday was Miss Cappuccino's day 145, and she still has her ligaments. So, not today. Not today. But we are moving right along. My goodness, look at Trinity's boy. No wonder he sold right away. Goodness, he's a tank. Well, hi, Goby baby. Yes, he's beautiful too, Mama. This is Honey's girl. Look at Ellie's little one. That is our sweet little girl. Sweet, sweet girl. Oh, got an itch first. Gotta scratch that itch first. Then she'll eat. I apologize for the wind. You guys, we are once again under a high wind warning, which is just the way it goes in March in Oklahoma. But these littles are all doing wonderfully. Everybody's just doing so good. Did the last of our disbudding Sunday. And yeah, we're done with this round. Both of Ellie's kids are polled, so that was a welcome relief. We didn't have to disbud them. Oh my goodness! I am not milking Lily. Or sorry, Lucky. I am not milking Lucky. She probably has never been used as a milk goat, judging by the way she acts. And I'm at an age that I don't want to fight with her. I don't need to train another milker because I have so many that I can milk easily with very little effort. Don't have to worry about being kicked in the face or battled. So Lucky has her kids on her, and I am not even going to bother. I have started milking, of course, Jasmine, and she is wonderful. I do have to tie her back leg for now, but that is that's not abnormal with first fresheners. But she is a love and does wonderfully for me. So that a first freshener is better than an old girl. But I guess that goes to that old saying, you can't teach an old goat new tricks. And she ain't giving it up, and I ain't fighting with her. So Lucky is on the back burner, not even going to worry about milking her. But all eyes are on Cappuccino in the upcoming days to see what her and Titan have produced for us. Judging by Titan's kids out here, you guys. I am not displeased with what that buck has put out for us. He is absolutely gorgeous. What? Well, good morning to you too. High wind warnings for today, and I believe tomorrow. We are supposed to be 84 degrees today, and then the cold front comes in tonight, and our high is supposed to be about 48 tomorrow. But then we bounce back out of it, so springtime in Oklahoma. Jeff and I did get part of the garden. Oh my goodness. We did get part of the garden planted Saturday and Sunday. Bucks will be bucks. We planted our onions, our potatoes, and our beets. So very, very excited to get that going. On another note, our little Calamity girl that I have decided to retain. I took her off the sales page. One of our wonderful subscribers came up with the perfect name for her. You guys all know we have... Where is she? Where's Miss Annie Oakley? Annie's out there by the brush pile. We have her daughter, Calamity Jane, and Calamity Jane's daughter will be named Belle Star. Thank you, I believe your name is Nolly, for that wonderful suggestion. It's not the first time that she has come up with just what I'm looking for. I gave her the parameter of what I wanted, and she came back real quick. And so Calamity's girl will be named Belle. I would take you guys out there, but as soon as I do, I know that wind is just going to whip up, and you're not going to be able to hear a word I say. But anyways, all right, ligaments, let's check one more time. Ligaments are in place. And it won't be today, will it, honey? Well, you're not honey, but you're all my honeys. You're all my honeys. Hi, sweetheart. That is your Tuesday update. Sorry, I haven't been updating you before now, but it's been a little busy. I actually did a video yesterday, and y'all, I'm horrible. I'm horrible when the wind is blowing and it's chaos. I lose track of what I say, and I had the dates all mixed up, and so I didn't update you yesterday, but while the wind is blowing, things are a little calmer up here. So that is your Tuesday update. Hope you all have a wonderful day. And remember, if anything happens, I'll post it first on Facebook. We do have lots of kids available still. Believe it or not, I am surprised, but not surprised. There's a lot of breeders that people are kind of holding on to their wallets a little bit.